Competitor sniping for landing pages. This is such a big tip or hack for creating your own landing pages. We have done this so many times, it always works super well, and I would recommend it for anyone who gets overwhelmed, not really sure what to do when creating landing pages. So basically what you're doing is just finding inspiration from the top D2C brands out there instead of wireframing from scratch, which is what a lot of courses will tell you to do, and they will teach you how to wireframe. But the thing is, you are going to take a massive risk. There's going to be a big chance that you will not actually get the format right, the template right. So what you should do instead is find the industry you're in. You know, that could be beauty, cosmetics, personal care, and go to this resource that we created for you, which is completely free. Go under free resources on purple5.io and go and find your category and look through the landing pages. It's constantly being updated with the latest D2C brands that we're scraping. We're scraping all their Facebook ads and we're adding in their landing pages here. Once you find a landing page that you really like in the same industry, let's say you want to do pre-sale like Snow here, you can use their same design when you're creating your own landing pages inside a Replo or on Bounce, whatever you're using. Then obviously don't steal anything. Don't copy their text, don't copy their images or anything, but you can look at the format and you can use the same thing. This is such an easy way to get going because we see that you're often overwhelmed when you don't know like how to frame it up, wireframe it up. You're not sure the structure and so on. So use the structure they're doing because it's probably working out super well. A lot of these brands are sending millions of visitors onto these landing pages every single month. And competitor sniping is just such a good tool to get started. So tell your designer, hey, here is a template I want to use. Can you recreate it? And then once it's done, you will remove all the text. You will make your own title. You will make your own copy. You will use your own images. But you can use the structure to give you a good base, right? And that's what we do. So guys, anyways, that's competitor sniping, and I would definitely recommend it. Check out a resource for all these. It's constantly getting updated. Soon there will be search in here, and soon there will even be a quiz, which if you take the quiz, you will understand what type of landing pages that will be the best fit for your brand. And then you will really be able to create something that converts super well when you start sending traffic to it. All right, I hope that was useful.